In front of me is OPPO A5x, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by opening an app called Files that's already on your device. Then tap on those three lines at the top left corner. Hit Clean at the top and tap on Clean under Junk Files. Lastly, confirm your choice by hitting Clear in the pop-up and wait. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!